Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fry fish without oil. First, preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 5 minutes. This ensures even cooking and a crispy exterior. Next, prepare your fish fillets by patting them dry. This step is crucial for achieving that desirable texture without any added oil. We'll cover a few methods to get delicious, healthy fish. For air frying, pat your fish fillets completely dry with paper towels. This removes excess moisture, which is key to crispiness. Season generously with salt, pepper, and any other desired spices. Place the fish in a single layer in the air fryer basket. Cook for 12 to 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, flipping halfway through. The exact time depends on the thickness of your fish. Another excellent method is baking. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius with a baking sheet inside. This helps create a hot surface for the fish. Line the hot baking sheet with parchment paper, then place your seasoned fish fillets on top. Bake for 10 to 18 minutes depending on thickness until the fish is flaky and cooked through. A thin fillet might take less time. Finally, you can pan-sear fish without oil using a good quality nonstick pan. Heat the pan over medium-high heat until it's very hot. Place your seasoned fish fillets directly into the dry, hot pan. Sear for 3 to 5 minutes per side, or until a beautiful golden crust forms and the fish is cooked through. This method works wonderfully for thinner fillets, giving them a nice crisp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.